Lending protocols such as Aave and Compound have had really a lot of success in the decentralized finance space. Today we're going to look at one on optimism called SONNE Finance. This project has some interesting ways to earn different coins from staking. And since this is the APY Guy channel, you better believe they're going to have some sweet APYs. So let's take a look. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. Any of that sounds good to you? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. All right, we're going to be on sonne.finance, SONNE.finance, if it's pronounced son or sun. And interesting choice of colors here, but looks like any other lending protocol where you have a supply side and a borrow side. You supply certain tokens, you get a supply APY. You borrow certain tokens, you get a borrowing APY. Also, when you borrow there, you get like a reward type APY as well. What we're going to be doing on this is staking. That's the safest part of these protocols. Down here it says SONNE Finance is a decentralized lending protocol for individuals, institutions, and protocols to access financial services. It is a permissionless, open source, and optimistic protocol serving users on optimism. Users can deposit their assets, use them as collateral, and borrow against them. So you could come in with whatever you want, any of these assets, DAI, USDC, USDT, and you can supply and earn an APY, and then a reward APR as well. Then you can come over here and borrow. So if you just wanted to supply, you can just supply it and just earn these APRs or APYs like SNX, I think that's synthetics. If you supply synthetics, you can earn 12% APY plus a reward APR. And if you really want to, you can borrow against that and borrow another asset. You could borrow USDC, you could swap it for SONNE token, and then you can stake your SONNE token. You just got to make sure you add the Optimism network. If you go down here to add networks, it's one of the ones listed. I already added it on here, but it's one of the ones listed here. So if you just hit add network, you can list it real quick. The one thing to remember though, is that it's on, you need Ethereum for gas. You need a little bit of Ethereum in your wallet. The gas fees are a lot lower than on the Ethereum network though. And then if we look here where it says portfolio, this is where it'll show your claimable tokens. It'll show your supply balance, your borrow balance, and then your claimable SONNE tokens here. And then here's the swap. The swap is only USDC and SONNE tokens, so you can swap between the two. So if you were to, lend something and borrow USDC, then you could swap your USDC that you borrowed for SONNE tokens to stake, which that's what we're going to go to next. So here's the SONNE staking, and I have quite a few in here, and I'm earning 31.24% APR, and I'm getting Velo tokens and SONNE tokens. It's pretty good rewards. You're getting 3 different tokens with the SONNE tokens. I think it's Sunny. I don't know. I'm gonna say Sunny for now on. That's what I heard on another video. So let's take a look at why we get these rewards and it's how we get them. So it's staking and revenue sharing. SONNE and USONNE represents the staked version of SONNE. The main goal for staking is to distribute protocol revenue, and Velo rewards with stakers. Stakers will get 80% of the protocol revenue and 80% of the Velo rewards for the first 3 months. After theme tokens start to get unlocked, stakers will start to get 100% of the protocol revenue. Protocol revenue is generated from taking a fee based on reserve factors for different pools. The more riskier the pool is, the more fees will be generated this way. There will be 2 different pools for staking. One of them SONNE, where the rewards will be used for buying SONNE from the market and distributed to SONNE stakers, which that's the one I'm in. I like that because you're buying SONNE token off the market. SONNE is buying, will be used for buying at USDC from market and distributing to SONNE stakers. Okay. Rewards tokens are shared with stakers on a weekly basis because of Velodrome Binance epochs. First rewards will be distributed 1 week after. Okay. So if you're staked in here with the SONNE tokens, you're getting your rewards on Wednesdays. You're getting Velo and OP rewards on Wednesdays. You're getting the SONNE rewards on Thursdays. As you can see, I've gotten some rewards already. I've only been in 1 week. So I'm just going to let them accumulate. I'm not going to claim them right away because it'd be worth... you're going to spend more money on gas than you would... because if we, let's say, hit claim and see how much gas it would be. Just claim successful. My wallet's not even connected. Okay. Switch to optimism. Switch to optimism. And then I want to hit claim and see how much it would cost. It would cost 22 cents to, well, it would cost 1 SONNE token. Okay, so that's cool. That explains all that, 30.78%. Now we're going to look at the tokenomics because I think this has got really good tokenomics. We're going to take a look on CoinGecko. All right, we're on CoinGecko and the current price is 21.2 cents. It's up quite a bit today. The thing is, this market cap is tiny. It's a little over 7 million. The cool thing about this project is you're earning different tokens. You're earning the SONNE token, plus you're earning 2 other pretty cool tokens. The all-time high is 23.4 cents, which 4 months ago. So it's getting back up there close to all-time highs. But a little more than, well, about a third of the circulating, or a third of the total supply is in circulation. That's kind of the bad part, but they're making up for it because they're buying back the tokens and they're distributing to stakers. So I guess they could sell them off if they wanted to. I'm just going to keep taking my rewards and staking them. I'm just going to take my rewards, claim them from the SONNE tokens, and then restake them because I'm getting this token and optimism token, which, you know, in a bull market, optimism could go could go up quite a bit. So I've already gotten a third of an optimism token already, and I've only been in it a week. So we'll take a look at the market cap here of 7.7, a little over 7 million. I guess we can compare it to Compound, I guess. I don't know. Compound's just on, is it just on Ethereum? No, that's on a bunch of different sites, but Compound is at 377 million. So what's the difference there? Let's see. 377 divided by 7. 53 times the market cap. You know, if I did a quarter of that, it's what? A little over 15 times the price. That could get, you know, they could get the SONNE token up to $2. That'd be fine with me. If we look at Compound, it's just a similar project. It's just kind of the same thing. You're, you know, supplying, borrowing, you're getting some APRs. Optimism is an upcoming, you know, layer 2 for Ethereum. You know, it could do, you know, really well. You know, the Optimism token you're getting is $2.77, and that's one you're getting, and it's gone up to $3.19 at its all-time high so far. So, good project. It's got potential for sure. Market cap's tiny. You can see this going up to $1 pretty easily. The 5x's from here. Then you're just staking it and you're getting 31.19% APR. And you're not just getting the reward token either. You're getting 2 other decent tokens. So pretty good protocol. Definitely a low market cap gem. It's a little different than we're used to. It's a lending, borrowing protocol. But good project. If there's any projects you want to see in the future on the channel, please leave them in the comments. Hopefully they have staking or farming or some type of passive income in them. I've looked through the comments and there's a couple that I'm going to consider doing a video on pretty soon. So please leave a comment. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.